Now lens makers formula. This is the lens makers formula. Here we will derive this for pi convex lens, but it is also valid for concave lens. Here n is what? It is the refractive index of material of lens with respect to the surrounding medium. And R1, R2 radii of curvature of each curved surface, which means f is the focal length of the lens. Now see here how we will reduce this. So we have assumed that there is an object which is situated at the principal axis. One ray which goes from here will incident at the point A of the left refracting surface. Left refracting surface, it is the air glass interface, because the ray of light is going from where to where? Air to glass. So see here, what will be the normal at the point A? You join point A with the center of curvature of left refracting surface. So here it is joined with the center of curvature. Now since it is going from rarer to denser, therefore what will happen? It will bend towards the normal. It is bending towards the normal. This dotted line is normal and this is the refracted ray. It is bending towards the normal. If the right refracting surface is not present, then what will happen? It will go straight and meet at this point on the principal axis. I dash will be the image of O formed by the refraction under left refracting surface. But because of the right refracting surface, once again there will be refraction. And at which interface? Glass air interface. Here it is going from denser to rarer. What will be the normal at the point B? You join point B with the center of curvature of right refracting surface, that is C. Now since it is going from glass to air, therefore what will happen? It will bend away from the normal. Normal is this. Here this dotted line is normal, so it will bend away from the normal and meeting at the point I will be the final image. Which case, now here distances of object and image is shown. So you see here, when refraction takes place, and here we will assume that the thickness of the lens is small t. When refraction takes place, left refracting surface. So from n1 upon 60.
So then मुझे क्या बच्चों मीन है 10 है तो सामने
n1 upon v minus n2 upon u equals to n1 minus n2 upon n1 upon v minus n2 upon u equals to n1 minus n2 upon r. So see here, we have assumed its refractive index is n, which clear, or we can write in this way also, n upon v minus 1 upon. What is n? N is the refractive index of the material of the lens with respect to surrounding medium. And here surroundings medium refractive index has been taken 1. Its refractive index has been taken 1. So see here, what is u here? U will be equal to P1O, and P1O will be equal to, remember one thing, when we substitute values in terms of literal terms, then no need to take the sign, because sign is already substituted. When you will take the numerical value, suppose it is 10 centimeter, then you will take minus 10. But when you are taking u, v, x, y, you will take simply u. It's clear. What is v? So for left refracting surface, v will be equal to P1 I dash. So it will be equal to, it's clear. This is n minus 1. N minus, this formula also I do. What is n here? N is ANG. ANG, that is equals to A. And what is R here? R is radius of curvature of left refracting surface, that is P1 C1, and P1 C1 is equal to R. Now you substitute these values here. When you will substitute, what will you get? So yes, that is B dash. It is not B, it is B dash. When you will substitute here, in place of n it is n, in place of B it is B dash, minus 1 upon equals to n minus 1 upon r. This you can take as equation, but note down this. Note down this. Now see here. When refraction take place at right refracting surface, when refraction takes place at the right refracting surface. So see here, for right refracting surface, refracting surface, I dash. This I dash is acting as an object for the right refracting surface, whose image is formed at the eye. I dash image is an object, and its image is formed at eye. Now see here, once again from the same, what will be UV? Now what will be U here? So U will be equal to P2 I dash. P2 and P2 I dash will be equal to how much? It will be B dash minus T. B dash minus T. You can see here. E2 say I dash will be equal to this distance minus T. So B dash minus. What is V here? V will be equal to P2I, which we have taken as. What is N here? Ray of light is going from glass to air, GNA. It will be GNA. That is 1 upon clear? So from n upon v minus 1 upon v equals to n minus 1 upon r. We substitute. When you will substitute, so here in place of n, it is 1 upon n upon v. What is v here? It is equal to v minus 1 upon u. That is 1 v dash minus v equals to upon r2. Now you simplify to be 1 upon 1 upon v dash minus v. This will be equal to 1 minus n upon n into r. Now as length is thin, therefore t can be neglected. Therefore e equals to 0. So when you will neglect, it will be minus 1 upon v dash equals to, here you take out minus sign common, because in equation 1 it is n minus 1. So you take out minus sign common, so n minus 1 into upon r, n r. Remove from this. Now multiplying each term by n. Multiplying each term by n. When you will multiply each term by n, you can write this. When you will multiply each term by n, it will be 1 upon v minus n upon v dash equals to minus n minus 1 upon r. Equation 2. Clear. Now on adding equation 1 and 2 side by side. So equation 1 is that, so it is n upon v dash minus 1 upon, then plus 1 upon v minus n upon v dash equals to, in right hand side, Now see here, n upon v and minus n upon v dash will be cancelled. So it is 1 upon v minus 1 upon v equals to n minus 1 you can take out coming. So it will be 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. Now see here, as we know that when object is situated at the infinity, image forms at which point? At the focal point. As when u equals to infinity, v equals to f. So substituting this thing, 1 upon f minus 1 upon infinity, n minus 1 minus 1 upon r. 1 upon infinity 0. So we can write it as 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r. This is the length maker's formula. 1 upon f equals to n minus 1 within bracket 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2. It is length maker's formula. Saving. Yes, saving. Length maker's formula. Now see here, if you compare this and this in the left hand side, because right hand side is same. This and this right hand side is same. If you compare LHS, what will you get? 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f. So this is known as Lenz's equation. It's called Lenz's equation. Now see here, for convex lens, for biconvex lens, R1 equals to, and suppose here it is equiconvex. It is equiconvex. Equiconvex lens means in which the radii of curvature of both the curved surfaces is same. R1 equals to R2. So here for equiconvex lens, R1 will be equal to plus R and R2 will be equal to minus. Now you can see here why it is so. Suppose this is a equiconvex lens. What is R1 here? From here to its center of curvature, which will be somewhere in this side. Okay. So R1 will be this. Now this is the direction of incident ray. This distance will be measured by. What is R2? From here to somewhere here, because its center of curvature will be here. It is measured opposite to incident ray. That's why it will be negative. So when you will substitute here, what will you get? 1 upon f equals to n minus 1. Within bracket 1 upon r minus 1 upon minus. So this minus and minus, it will become plus. So 1 upon r plus 1 upon r, that is 2 upon r. So what will you write? 1 upon f equals to n minus 1 into 2 upon r. Is clear? Now see here for equiconcave lens. For equiconcave lens, R1 will be equal to minus R and R2 equals to plus R. It will be equal to plus R. So when you will substitute, what will you get? 1 upon F equals to minus n minus 1 into 2 upon R. Now from here you can see that the focal length depends upon the refractive index of material of lens with respect to surrounding medium. It also depends upon the radii of curvature of curved surface. So we write out from the lens maker's formula. From the lens maker's formula, it is clear that focal length of lens depends upon the nature of the refractive index of material of lens with respect to the surrounding medium. Refractive index of material of lens with respect to surrounding medium. As well as radii of curvature of both the curved surfaces. As well as radii of curvature of both the curved surfaces.